In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up production tracking in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp, sign in, and head to the homepage. You'll start by creating a space, which is the top level container that will hold everything for your production workflow. Click Create Space, or use the plus button next to spaces and get ready to build out your tracking system. Next, we'll bring in a ready-made structure. When the template window appears, choose Use Templates. In the search bar, type Production Tracking, then select the Production Tracking template. This is a list template designed for managing productions. Open its details so you can confirm you've got the right one. Now choose where the list should live. Under Choose where to create the list, select your workspace. Use Import as is, so the list, tasks, and fields come in unchanged. If you want archived tasks from the template, choose Yes, otherwise select No. Click Use Template and give it a moment to import. Keep an eye on the activity log in the bottom left corner until it shows success. Once it's ready, go to your chosen workspace and open the new production tracking list. This will be your production tracking dashboard, the place you'll return to daily to see what's moving and what's blocked. Take a moment to review how it's structured. You'll see sample production items, like a bridal event, a commercial, or a holiday tourism video. Tasks are grouped by status, to do in progress, and completed. And each task represents a production job or video project. Start tailoring it to your real work. Open any task and rename it to match your project. Add what tasks such as scripting, shooting, editing, and color grading. Attach key documents like shot lists, call sheets, or references, and jot down notes, links, and descriptions. Close the task to return to the list when you're done. Customize the template to fit your workflow. Update the to-do in progress and completed sections with your actual productions. Use the existing fields, including production type, stages like briefing through post-production and client approval status, and dates for briefing, production, and due dates. Adjust options and timelines to match how your team operates. For ongoing tracking, add a new task for each production, give it a clear name, fill out the fields, attach supporting materials, and move it through to due in progress and completed as work advances. Track what's in client approval and note whether revisions are minor or major. Finally, keep things tidy. Remove sample tasks you don't need. Stick to one task per production, and maintain clear statuses and stages. Use this list for weekly stand-ups, client delivery tracking, and monitoring timelines and revisions. With this setup, ClickUp becomes a simple, visual way to manage multiple productions without missing a deadline or a client change.